Good news. The January project at the shop is finally finished and ready for the field. So we'll give you more all about it with pictures and information. The leg at the right is bent, even though you might not be able to see that. That is why the base is sitting flat on the concrete. The right side should be at the same angle as the left side. Notice space under the left leg. Walk in this morning and it's amazing to see this all back together, and exciting too. It took him a whole month of January to get her ready for the field, but it's ready.
Last spring during field work, Woody was field cultivating, and he raised the field cultivator up, went around a terrace, and there was a hole. As I was saying, there was a hole this big, and this set of wheels dropped in that hole and twisted that main tube right there. And the parts weren't available. The options were to trade that rock shaft for a used one, but they wanted the old one back for $3,600, and we figured we could fix it cheaper than that. So what you see here is where we cut the bent part of the rock shaft off, made a sleeve, put it inside there, and put a new piece on the outside, the arm back on, the new piece, got everything lined up, and it fit like a glove when we got done, and we were totally happy.
Matt noticed something was missing, and so we just took care of that. And that's what we all need to do, keep things safe. And they are very careful. I think we need to add one piece of information. The hole that this fell into, you couldn't see it initially until after. It was later determined that it was like a tile suck out, they call them, and the top surface had been maintained. You know about the saying, all work and no play. So last night, Matt and I went to Thou Art and enjoyed the music, and it was very enjoyable. Oh, here we are. You can hear the music. There's the music man, and we're just ready to eat our chili.